We have seen the last one, 88 is Santana Gopalam and the greatness of Krishna Avadaram. The entire 37 to 88 is full Krishna Avataram. Narayanyam, we have seen how we started Narayanyam. First 2-3 cantos are describing the glory of Bhagavan. Then 4th and 5th and 6th and all describing creation. Then secondary creation. Then we see the first Avadara, Varaha Avatara. Then we see Kapila Avatara. Then we see Dhruva, story of Dhruva. We see the story of Daksha Yaga. Then we come to Prachetas. We come to Prithu Avatara. Then we come to Ajamilo Pakhyana. Then we came to Narsimha Avatara 24-25. Then we saw Gajendra Moksham. Then we saw Amritamathanam 27-28, 29 Mohini Avataram. Then we saw Vamana Avataram. Then we saw Matsya Avataram. Then Ambarisha Charitram. Then Rama Avataram. Parshurama Avataram 36. Then 37 to 88. All Krishna Avatara. So that Krishna Avatara is most glorious. We saw the first 2 shlokas in this chapter will be taking most time. After that, it is a story. So we are seeing the story of Vrikasura, or is also called Bhasmasura, how he was killed by Bhagavan. That is the story here. But there is the underlying tattva. So first 2 slokas are the one we are going to spend little bit time understanding. So 89. Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Rama Jane Jane Yadi Hatava Bhaktishu Vibhavo Na Sadhya Sampadhyah Tadiha Vada Kritva Ashamina Prashantim Kritvaiva Pradishasi Tada Kamamakilam Prashanteshu Kshipram Nakalu Bhavadiye Chutikatha Rama Jane Jane Yadiha Tava Bhakteshu Vibhavo Na Sadhya Sampadhyah Tadiha Mada Kritva Ashamina Prashantim Kritvaiva Pradishasi Tada Kamamakilam Prashanteshu Kshipram Nakalu Bhavadiye Tutikatha. Parikshit is asking Shukar in Bhagavatam. We hear that Lord Shiva's devotees are the one who are more prosperous, and Lord Narayana's bhaktas, they are akinchana. They don't want any money. They just leave everything and go and do tapas in the forest. The devotees of Narayana do not care for wealth, and they are not easily blessed with wealth. However, Lakshmi Mata is the wife of Narayana. And Lord Shiva is living in a cremation ground. He is the Vairagi, total renunciation. But his bhaktas get prosperity very fast. That is the story today, Bhasmasura. So, how is this anomaly? How it is different? So, that is the question Parikshit asks Sage Shuka also in Bhagavatam. So, here same thing, Bhattadri is telling that story here. Bhagavatam is telling, Na Sadhya Sampadhyah Tadiha Madakritvat. See, Bhagavan, Guruvayurappan Anugraha, we have to see it is very different. Bhagavan, he wants to give the highest for us, okay? The Dhyana Shloka, what did we say? Ittam Nisheshalabhyo Niravadika Parijato Hare Tvam Dvarpan Shudram Tam Shakravati Drumam Abhilashadi Vyartham Artivrajonyam Shudram Tam Shakravati Drumam, the Kalpataru Vriksha in Indra's garden, it will also fulfill all desires. And so the other people for quick fix they go there. But Guruvayurappan, he's the Parijata Vriksha. He wants your eternal welfare. So he won't give fast wishes. In fact, when a person has dushta intention, Guruvayurappan will never go there. He cannot be devotee of, he cannot do tapas to Guruvayurappan, but pray that I want to kill this person. No, Guruvayurappan will never allow, he will not come. You can, do tapas for 100 births, doesn't matter. Guruvayurappan will never come in the life of the devotee, the one who has evil intent. But Lord Shiva, he has to come because he's so karunai and he's pleased easily. So when somebody is saying, I'm going to do tapas to Lord Shiva, and Shiva will delay for a little bit, but when the person starts chopping his flesh and offering, I want you to come now, I want you to come now, I'm doing tapas. Like that, when he does, Lord Shiva is forced to come and give blessing. And then what that person does, he wants to kill somebody. So the question is that Guruvayurappan will not come, will not be in the life of a person who has bad intent. First கிடையாது. குருவாயூரப்பன் பக்தி ரொம்ப rare, ரொம்ப tough. We get gisa karke, he cleans us. That's Guruvayurappan. Many would already know. Because he wants the best for us, and he is going to give, he's the eternal happiness he wants to give. He does not want shortcut. He will not do. Okay, especially wealth. Mada kritvat ashaminam. Adnala, when a person is so much, I want this, Guruvayurappan is quiet. He will never come. First, Guruvayurappan will make that person dispassionate, get vairagyam. Nicely, how beautifully Guruvayurappan works, Bhakti, Jnana, Vairagya, nicely he will mold us in that way so that we grow correctly with all three. We will never have garvam that I am wealthy with Guruvayurappan Bhakta. You won't see that. We will never have any type of garvam that I am very famous, having status. You won't see that. You won't see anybody having rich position or beauty. Not all those. Guruvayurappan Bhakta very, அப்படியே they melt ஆயிடுவாங்க. They will not be like that. And to stick with Guruvayurappan, it's very hard, but he'll make us stick also. Because he is going to make sure he's cleaning inside. As he's giving outside, he wants to clean inside. Like a person suddenly went to the doctor for an exam, and then they found out there is a small rash in the skin or something, and then they had to do some biopsy, and when they did the biopsy there is a small growth. So the doctor is telling there's a cancer, we want to remove and do surgery for it. So the patient says, yes, please do, please save me, doctor, please save me. And the doctor next time he performs the surgery, he's cutting the skin, he's extracting the tumor out, he's stitching it and closing it. And after doing all that, the patient says, thank you, doctor, thank you, I'm so indebted to you for my entire life. You saved my life. What did the doctor do? He cut him open, he removed the growth, then he stitched him. It would have caused so much pain. But the patient, he said thank you because he's safe. He's finally alive and has great gratitude for doctor. Right? It's not a painless thing. He had to undergo pain to get finally free of disease. Similarly, Guruvayurappan is working on our internal mind, which has I and mine. Me, that I sense we have, and also my job, my house, my car, my lunch. everything mine, that I and mine, Guru Arpan will clean. That is why Guru Arpan Bhakta get cleaned also, and they are calm also, and they get everything also. But you got to stick with it. So that is the sloka here. Guru Arpan wants to clean he is also the surgeon, cleaning our mind and making it pure so that he can give himself, you and him become one. He wants to give you his state. He gives himself the ittam nishesham namranam sannidhate sadadamapi purastairanabhyartitanapi arthan kaman ajasram vitarati. He gives all the desire, kaman ajasram vitarati paramananda sandra. See, he wants to give ananda sandram. He wants to give his state to us, who is eternal Ananda, Satchidananda. He wants to make us that he wants to give us. And he makes us ready for it by these experiences. And then he gives that and we become one. He wants to give best. He wants to give himself. Idumari or God. There's no other God, only Guru. So, Ittam Nisheshalabhyo Niravadika Phalaha Parijato Hare. This is the Parijata Vriksha. So, he will never give quick fixes. Guru Arpan will not come to that type of tapas at all. He will only give what is good for us. So, we have to pray in that way. And then we have to be patient, but he's only making us patient. He's only making us strong in the mind inside, and he gives trouble for our good. And then in the end, Guru Arpan is Guru Arpan. He will be smiling. See, this is what I want to give you the best, so I got to prepare you. So that is why Bhasmasura is doing tapas. Guru Arpan does not come at all. No, not possible to please Guru Arpan with evil intent. You have to be pure first. And you have to be having humility and some preparatory things he does. I can't explain, but I see some other mommies who are Bhakta, Guru Arpan. I could tell immediately they are Guru Arpan Bhakta. I don't know, I just know it. In Bombay, I've seen, if I see anyone in person, I can tell this is Guru Arpan category, that's it. Because life has taken them like that, you could tell. So that is why Bhagavan Prashantim Kritvaiva, he will make us Shantam. And then he will give everything. Like what he did with Mahabali, the same example. Mahabali has everything and he's so arrogant. I am the Lord of three worlds. He wants everything. He wants to be superpower above all the worlds and be like Indra, right? And so he grabbed everything. But he's also a good person. He's doing dhanam to the Brahmanas. He's grandson of Prahlada. He has respect to Guru, everything he has. But he also has this greed for everything and be the master of the world, right? So he was. And then Bhagavan, he came as the little Vamana and then he took away everything from him. And then in that he tells one shloka. If anyone has all the things but has no ego because of it, understand it's my anugraham for them. Bhagavan tells that to Mahabali. He has everything. Finally, Guru Arpan humiliated him in front of everyone. He was bound by ropes, even though he only gave dhanam. He thought 3 small feet of land, right? But Bhagavan is asking, became so big and took away everything, right? He was literally cheated. But Mahabali, what does he say in the end? You are my best Guru. You know what's best for me. Whatever punishment you give is good for me. You are my Guru. If you say like that is it. You become Guru Arpan's favorite. In times of adversity, if you say, Guruvayurappa, it's your anugraham, thank you, that's it, you are the best. Then what happened? Mahabaliki, he gave him everything, he made him the master of Sutalaloka, and he says, I am going to stand security guard outside your house and protect you from enemies. You will be able to see me day and night. Rakshishye sarvadoham tvam. Sanugamsa parichadam. You and your family and your possessions, I will take care of everything. Sada sannihitam veera tatramam rakshate bhavan. You can see me day and night. Anytime you want, you will get my darshan. I will protect you day and night. Who will do like this? That is Guruvayurappan. He protects Mahabali and he takes care. Then all 21 generation under Mahabali are under protection of Guruvayurappan. He will not any harm come to them. So once he takes us, that's the hold. The hold is like that, Guruvayurappan hold. Then that's why you cannot gel with any other devata like that. It doesn't click. This is why first loka is like this, Parikshit. Anala, many janma we already took, okay? Why is Guruvayurappan doing this? We already took many janmas. This janma, Guruvayurappan has come as our God. We have already become a great sports star in one janma. We have become a great film star in one janma. We have become a great pandit scholar in one janma. We have become a great scientist in one janma. We have already become a doctor in one janma. We have become a devata in one janma. All janma finished. We have become great and taken more and more janma. Now this janma, if you keep on asking again, I want to be the best superstar. I want to buy my sons to be the greatest, or no, all these things you already enjoyed. So don't put too much attached interest to the family stuff and day-to-day grind, because we already did it before. We already did. We went to kindergarten, then we went to high school, then we did college, then we got married, then say my family, my family, my family, my house, my country. Then we put everything for the family. In some family, there will be special need child will come. Then the whole family thinks, no, this is my life, that's all, my whole janma is for this person. And then what a dream they had, it went away to this person now. And then they think that they get so involved in that, but really it is all Maya. These are all different relation coming to exhaust our karma. We shouldn't put obsessed with such things. We should be dispassionate. So Guruvayurappan, that's why he gives these experiences in life to develop devotion and knowledge, jnanam and dispassion, vairagyam. This is the topic coming from 91 to 100. 91 to 100, Bhakti, Jnana, Vairagya. Three things all needed to attain moksha. Bhakti mattum, it is not going to work. Then we will not, unless we have Jnanam, we won't have Vishwasam. Unless we have Vairagyam, we won't get Jnanam. So all three go together. So we cannot obsess about my family, my things. Guruvayurappan will slowly cut that. Aham. The surgery he will do, like the doctor. Therefore, this Krishna Bhakti ரொம்ப rare. Krishna Bhakti rare, and அதில் stick பண்றதுக்கு அது மாதிரி the Guru has come for us to keep us. Another next one I'll tell about the karma thing also. So here this sloka is telling Prashantim Kritvaiva Pradishasi tada kamamakilam. This enjoyment he will give, but he will also make you prashanti. He will make you get vairagyam and attain the real jnanam. So that is why another one, Bhavadiye Chuti Katha, there is no downfall for Krishna Bhakta. There is no fall. Another one, see, even at the last minute, a sinner like Ajamila, he was saved. Bhagavan got his Marana and made him chant Narayana, and Bhagavan took him. Guruvayurappan is so kind, he is just waiting for us to call him and take us to him. He's so full of love. is so compassionate. Amazing. That's Guru Arpan. And so the Bhakta will never complain. The Bhakta like Mahabali or Kunti Mata, what did she say? Vipadaha santunaha shashwade tatra tatra jagat guru bhavato darshanam yatsyade apunarbhava darshanam. Let me get problems. Every time I will call you, you will come and you will take care of me. I'm not worried. It is not good that I don't have problem and I forget you. I should have problem and I should remember you. Then I'm good. If I don't have problem, I'm enjoying in sports car everything and I never call you, that is my problem. That is a waste. So, எப்படியோ Guruvayappan we are holding, no? Means that's best for us. It's the best thing to happen. This is exactly Narayanian background. Pattadri writing Narayanian, right? He's in deep trouble, right? So he's writing and he's saying, Guruvayappa, when we ask somebody else in the world to say, please help me, we'll feel very small and the person will say, he'll show off. Guruvayappan is so happy when we go to him. When we go to him and ask, Guruvayappan is so happy to bless us. He says, my child has come. And so he will slowly take us more and more into him. And so this is how I feel. Last week only I was thinking all this. Many janma we would have worshipped other gods, but this janma we have come because we are going to get moksha. Only Guru Arpan can give moksha. So he is asking that question. So Shuka is answering. Sadhya prasada rushidan vidishangaradin kechid vibo nijagunanugunam bhajandah prashta bhavandi bada kashtam adirga drishtya spashtam vrikasura udaharanam kilasmin. Adin Sadhya Prasadi, they get pleased quickly and they also get angry quickly. Guru Arpan will not come at all, that's what I'm telling. So, Vrikasura would example, it will become very clear, it's telling. Kechit Bibo Nijaguna Nugunam Bhajandaha. So the Hiranyakashipu did tapas to Brahmaji and he got all the boons. And here Vrikasura is doing tapas to Shiva, Lord Shiva. And so, yes, he's coming to bless, but then it leads to his fall. He will fall, he will be killed. So, Brashta Bhavandi Pada Kashtam Adirga Drishtya, he attained to disgrace. Because he's a wicked person, but he's doing tapas. Kya kare? This is the life. Ravana doing tapas, but he wants to kill. He's against Narayana. This creation is also Romba Adbudam. Opposite Shaktis exist in creation. Creation, there's one place there is more new things coming. Another place Bhagavan is sustaining. Another place there is destruction. All three happen in everyone's lives. Isn't it amazing? So, all three Shaktis are there in the universe. So the one person is doing tapas for destruction and it's going to work because he's doing praying for that. He's praying for destruction. What to do? He's praying. So Lord Shiva has to bless for that. So he's doing tapas when Bhagavan did not appear. He starts chopping his flesh and ready to kill himself. Then that pavam will come to Lord Shiva. So he has to come and bless. When somebody is doing tapas like this, Bhagavan cannot keep quiet. He has to bless because otherwise that sin or whatever that person has done, it cannot go waste. Somebody has to bear it. Anala, he has to get a return. Whatever we do will have a return. Action, reaction, eppomundu. Right? So Bhagavan cannot keep quiet. Adgada Shiva is there. That is how the universe is balanced, I guess. It's amazing how Bhagavan's work is. So here, those bhaktas, according to their nature, they pray to Brahmaji or Shiva, and then it leads to their downfall because Prashta Bhavandi Bada Kashtam Adirga Drishtya, because they want instant fix. and they have wicked intention. So adnala this will become clear by example of Vrikasura. In the Vrikasura, Shakunija Sadunaragame kada Tvarita doshamapritchatadishwaram Sachadi desha girishamupasitum Natu bhavandamabandum asadushu. Tapas for Lord Shiva. Narada is very good, right? Narada and the person which bhakta is to, which God is suited for him, he knows Narada. These are the saints. The saints are the living forms of Bhagavan. They are the walking form of Bhagavan. They are they are same as Bhagavan, right? So the saints understand our karma, our nature. Based on that, they will advise worship of which Bhagavan. Because it is our guna also has to play a role in which God we like, right? Hinduism will give many options as to and all. We initially will all go to in every temple we go, right? There will be sannidhi of all the gods, etc., right? And then we do puja, namaskaram, and come back and eat prasad. And so, young age we have done like that. Then after a little bit, we got in our Smartha families, they would worship all gods, right? There's nothing so deep and all. Then only for some people, like a satsang has come, and then the bhakti has become ripen more and more and more, and then you say, this bhakta has been taken in this path, so he belongs in this guru, like that. Slowly, slowly it comes. So to get here, we have already done many janma as regular people. We are not regular people now. We are selected by Guruvayurappan people. And therefore, we have to stick with it. To stick with it with some jnanam. And the wisdom is needed. That don't obsess about everything in this family or world or samsara. Don't obsess, because these are all temporary, because after a certain age, your body will age, then these people will go, then will say till the last minute, I want to be happy, and you push and push and push and try that all the way, but then death comes. No one has escaped death in my family, right? Everybody has to die, then they leave and go. Then what happens? Other people will cry for a little bit, and then they move on. This life, right? So don't obsess so much that it's the end of the world. That is a jnanam. That here everything is, Bhagavan's work. Bhagavan has given everything. He is running the show. He is doing everything perfectly. I accept. Like that attitude has to come. The faith in the faith life. Faith dredamagan. The faith has to become strengthened. In our time, the faith is very important right now, because we have Guruvayurappan's list, right? So test will come, because he wants to give the best. Paramananda Sandram Gatincha. He will not leave until he gives that. What happened to Pundanam? Same. What happened to Narayan Bhattadri? Same. Guru Ramai, Iballa, like that. How they became ripe devotees. Any Mahan, many saints' life you will see, they went through some adversity which made a change for them. Then what happened to Ramana? He saw the father is dead, and he brought a change, and he left like that. Something will click in life, that life experience. This way Bhagavan is giving experience for us, and with that experience, it has to click for us that all this will happen. I cannot. Prahlada is teaching nicely. You didn't ask for a headache to come, but headache came. You didn't ask for, my stomach upset, but it became. Like that, bad will come, just like that, good will come. It's not that you did something, only good will come. No. He says both bad and good will come in life, because that's how it is. Everybody has mix of that. If a person only had bad, he will not be able to survive it here. Nobody would be able to live here. Bhagavan gives mix of both. I tell my husband also, my son also. Sometimes he gives ras, and with this ras, that we are able to fight the bad. He gives that. And if a person only has bad, it never happens to anyone. Good happens, no, that's not life. Everybody will have a mixed bag, and because there is the good, they are able to go through the bad, and some will think I will only have good. Asabi loka is there. Atala vitala sutala latal rasatala loka is there. We've studied in Sunday Bhagavatam class. There is a loka, um, atala loka. All the people are having long life. They have drinking vitamins and elixir to keep the body fit and young and have continuous youth. They have no diseases, their body does not decay, they have all pleasures for long time. Nobody can take it away, and only time is a factor. It's only fixed for that time factor. Other than that, there is nothing else lacking. They can have as many wives as they want, they can have families, they can drink and eat and sleep and enjoy all the senses. Do we want to go there? I don't want to go there. We want satsangam, we want Guru Arpan, right? The such lokas are there. If we want to create that in this earth and make life like that, no, that's not why we were born in Bharata Desham. US people can do. We were not born for doing that. We are born to lead a life with devotion and attain perfection in this birth, attain Vaikuntha Lokam. That's why we are born. To attain Vaikuntha, we have to attain perfection here now. Bhakti, Jnana, Vairagya, all has to complete here. Don't say, let me do another birth. No. This is the chance, we have to finish it now. So Guru Arpan has come in the form of Narayanam. Narayanam is taking all the way. That is why we come to Narayanam, not to just read sloka, another sloka class. No, this is not another sloka class. Not for me. I kept going back to Narayanam class when my Guruji was teaching in Chembur in 40 years ago. I kept going back until I got married and I had to leave Bombay. Because that was what Narayanam was for me. So here, this is the tattvam of Guru Arpan we are trying to get there. We're trying to get to Bhagavan's heart. By understanding the sthula rupam of Bhagavan, we understand the sukshma tattva of Bhagavan, the subtle quality which only the gopis or Uddhava know Krishna's heart, right? Otherwise, everybody is blaming Krishna that he only created Mahabharata or he only killed everyone and all, right? Somebody will say Krishna did rasa. The people are nuts. Don't go there. So, who will understand the heart of Bhagavan? Only Gurunadra will explain. Only in satsang we understand correctly. So, here Narada is amazing. Narada. He will tell Kamsata, he will go and sing Narayana Nama in Kamsa's palace in assembly, nothing will happen to him. He will go to Hiranyakashipu, he will also sing Narayana Nama, nothing will happen to him. And he will go to Hiranyaksha, tell go fight with Varuna. He will tell go fight with Satsi, that Mahavishnu over there, he's your equal, go fight with him. Everywhere story Narada will come. Apirpata Shishya, Narada is such a bhakta. He's full Bhagavata Dharmamna Narada. He only establishes bhakti and Bhagavatam, gehe gehe jane jane. Every house, every heart. He's installing Bhakti Devi in every heart. Narada. So, and the Narada is telling Vrikasura, do not go, do not only worship Lord Shiva. Narada already theriyum what's happening. So, this person, Vrikasura, does intense tapas. Tapastaptva goram sakalukupita saptamadine. Shiraschidva sadyah puraharam upasthapya puratah adikshudram raudram shirasi karadanena nidhanam jagannadathavre bhavadi vimughanam kvashubhadi. Then 7 days he has done, Shiva did not come. He got angry. He is chopping, is ready to cut his head off. धमकी दे के बुलाता है. See, he's calling him with arrogance. Gurvatman does not fall for all those things, so he never bothers. So Shiva had to come, forced at her. See, Shiraschidva Sadhya, he said, I'm going to cut my head. Then who's going to take that papa? Shiva has to come. So he has to come and bless. So he came. Shiraschidva Sadhyaha Puraharam Upasthapya Puradaha, Lord Shiva came. Now he's asking very mean varam, so mean and cruel. Adikshudram Raudram Shirasi Karadanena Nidhanam. Whosoever had he places his hand, they should die. That is the boon he's asking, Vikasura. So he's saying, I will put my hand on anybody's head and they should die. Adikshudram Raudram Shirasi Karadanena Nidhanam Jagannathat Vavre Bhavadi. See, again, Bhattadri will give tattva here and there. So, Bhavati Vimukhana Pashubhadihi. People who are Vimukha of Guruvayurappan, they do not have buddhi. They do not have good sense. Yes. So, this is our benchmark. Who is our friend? Guruvayurappan is, you like? Good. Okay, come. Nahi to nahi chahiye. Like this. Bhavati Vimukhanam Pashubhadihi. They are Vimukha of Bhagavan. We have nothing to do with them. So, he's telling, they do not have good sense. Bhavati Vimukhanam Pashubhadihi Moktaram Bandha Mukto Harinapadiniva Pradravat Sodarudram Daityat Bhityas Svadevo Dishi Dishi Valade Prishtado Datta Drishtihi Tushnike Sarvaloke Tava Padamadirokshandamudviksha Sharvam Duradevagratastvam Patuvapusha Astishe Danavaya. Rushing to him, and now Shiva starts running. Pradravat Sodarudram Daityat Svityas Madevo. Lord Shiva is the one afraid, and he is running in all directions. Lord Shiva is running. Other gods, they are all junior. They cannot do anything. They are all looking stunned, quiet. And Shiva is running and running and running, looking at the back. Is he there? Is he there? Like this. Prishtado datta drishtihi tushne ke sarvaloge. Nobody else can help. Lord Shiva is Ishvara. Who can help Ishvara? Then he comes. He comes to Tava Padamadirokshandam. He went to Goegundam. Udviksha Sharvam. Now Guruvayurappan is there. He saw that Asura is coming close. Okay. So before he entered only, Guruvayurappan went in front of him. Udviksha Sharvam Dura Deva Gradastvam. First lende Guruvayurappan saw, so he said, Vaikundatkala, you don't need to come. I will come out to meet you. So Bhagavan went out. Patuvapusha became another Vamana. Every time he becomes small, he's very cunning. Again he became small brahmachari. Patuvapusha tastishe danavaya, and he stood waiting in front of the Asura. And he is become so cute and small brahmachari boy. And then he's telling, Badram te shakuneya. Let all be well with you, Badram, Badram. Badram te shakuneya brahmasi kim adhuna. Why are you running like this? Tvam pisha. Oh, how will Bhagavan is managing that situation? Tvam pishachasya vacha sandehaschin maduktau tava kimuna karo shanguli mangamaulau. Ittam tvatvakya mudaha shirasi kritakaraha sopatascinna padam brahmsho hevam paropasi durapi jagatihi shulinopi tvameva. Lord Shiva. Words. Bhagavan is telling, Bhadram Desha Guneya Brahmasiki. Why are you running like a mad person? And you're believing that Lord Shiva, who's always in the cremation ground, he will say something. Don't believe all that. If you're not, why don't you test it? You test it on yourself only, no first. Like that is telling, he created doubt for the Asura. Bhagavan with sweet talk, he fooled him. So then you put on your head and test it. So from Kimona Karoshanguli Mangamolo, he became fool item. Ittam Twakyam Udaha Shirasi Kridagaraha, he put on his head, and he fell. That's it. So everyone Guruvarpan will act for us. So he made him die. So Shirasi Kritakaraha Sopataschinna Padam Brahmsho Hevam Paropasiturapi Jagatihi Shulino Bhitvameva. Actually, Shiva and Narayana love themselves so much. There's nothing problem between them. But the Bhakta, they are confused. They don't know how to do it. But they are opposite nature. This is confusion. Now the rishis are confused. We are all Chota people. The Bhrigu Maharshi is confused. The rishis are having a satram. They are talking. Which god is the most sattvic? Like that they are talking. And then all of them selected Bhrigu Maharshi to do a test on the Trimurtis. To do a test on Trimurtis, Brahma, Shiva and Vishnu, they have to do a test. Bhrigu is going. Bhrigum kila saraswati nikata vasina stapataha trimurtishu samadishan adhika satvadam vedidum ayam punaranadarat udidaruddaro shevidao hare pichajihim sishao girijayadrade twamagat. Does not show respect. He's purposely acting like with disrespect. Brahmaji, who is used to getting respect from all the people, he is shocked and he got angry because Brahmaji is full of Rajoguna. Rajoguna is the passionate guna, Brahmaji. So he got angry. But he checked himself. He didn't do anything, he controlled himself. But he got angry. That Chalanam came for him, Vikaram, it came for him. Then Bhrigu Maharshi came and disrespected Lord Shiva, went to Kailasa and he disrespected Shiva, insulted Shiva. Shiva got angry, is about to kill, but Parvati Mata stopped him. So Jihim Sishau, he was almost ready to kill. Then Apo Shivarku Tamoguna Chulva. This is the role they have to play because of the role they are doing in the universe. Brahmaji has to have Rajoguna because he is doing Srishti, creation. Lord Shiva has to have Tamogunam because he is the destroyer. Right? So that is how they are. They have to be so because they are doing the work of the universe, of keeping the universe in balance. So both of them did not meet Bhrigu Maharshi's standard. Now Bhrigu Maharshi, in that same mode of disrespect and anger, he went to Vaikunta. What happened there? Suktam Ramanga Bhuvi Pankajalocanam Tvam Vipre Vinignadi Padena Udotitasvam Sarvam Kshamasva Munivarya Bhave Sadame Tatpadachinnamiha Bhushanamityavadihi Ramanga Bhuvi Pankajalocanam Tvam Vipre Vinignadi Padena Udotitasvam. Bhrigu Maharshi is coming and kicking the chest of Bhagavan. Vipre Vinignadi Padena Udotitasvam. He is smiling, getting up with a smile. Udotitasvam. And then he is telling, Sarvam Kshamasva Munivarya. Telling, oh great Muni, Munivarya, a great Rishi, and forgive me. Sarvam Kshamasva Munivarya Bhavet Sadame. My mistake that I didn't get up and offer you respect. I didn't offer you a seat before you came. It was my mistake. I didn't see you first. I'm very sorry. Please forgive me. This mark will always be an ornament on my chest. This is the forbearance. This is Guruvarpan. So, Sarvam Chamasva Munivarya Bhavet Sadame Tvatpada Chinnamiha Bhushanamityavadi. This will be decoration on my chest. Your kick mark. Ivda Bhagavan, no Bhrigu Maharshi melt ho gaya, right? This is how the people melt. Puri Bhagavana, this Guru Arpan, oh my god, I had no idea, like that. He'll melt us with this love. Guru Arpan will melt you like with this compassion. You keep on giving me, giving me, giving me. I cannot bear it, the Bhakta will say. How much you're giving me? I can't bear it enough. That's what all wars are singing. How much grace you are giving, Guru Arpa? Enough. I can't bear it. Kulashekar Alvar says. So, this is Guru Arpan. How can you not like such a Bhagavan? Never get angry. So, Bhrigu Maharshi melt ho gaya. So it's Lord Narayana who is most sattvic, and they all they firmly devoted to him. Nischityate cha sudridam vaibadhabhavaha saraswada munivara tadire vimoksham त्वामेवम् अच्युत पुनश्च्युत दोषहीनं पुनश्च्युति दोषहीनं तत्त्वचैकतनुमेव वयं भजामः इत्यादौ त्वाम्. Now we come to the Bhagavata portion called Shruti Geetam, very beautiful chapter in Bhagavatam. Adapadiye condensed in one slokam. Jagatrittyadau tvam nigamanivahai Vandi Biriva Shruti Geetam Nigama. All the Vedas are singing the praise of Narayana. Stutam Vishnu Satchit Parama Rasa Nirdvaida Vapusham. At the beginning of creation. Jagat Srishthyadau Tvam Nigamanivahai Vandi Biriva Studam Vishnu Satchit Paramarasa Nirdvaida Vapusham Paratmanam Bhuman Pashupavanida Bhagyanivaham Paritapashrantyai Pavanapuravasin Paribhaje. Parabrahman, Narayana. Sutam Vishnu Satchit at Anandam is the Ananda Swarupam. Sat means always there. Chit, Jnanamayam, intelligent one. And Anandamayam is the Parama Rasa. Whatever ras a person is getting, it's because of Sri Hari in that person is giving the ras. Whatever we enjoy is because of Bhagavan. Paramarasa நிர்த்வைத வபுஷம். இது வந்து அத்வைதான்னு சொல்லுவா. Anyway, it is Bhagavan who is without any taint of Rajoguna, Tamoguna, is pure sattvic form. Paramatmanam Bhuman Pashupa Vanita Bhagya Nivam. See, again gopis. The gopis oda punyattoda embodiment is Guru Arpan. The bhaktas are calling to Bhagavan, please take avatara, and then Bhagavan comes. Some bhaktas have prayed, and so we have Bhagavan. We have stories, we have Narayanyam, like that. It's how Bhagavan keeps the Srishti going, keeps the Bhagavatam, Ramayanam and all keeps living ever, all eternally, right? Ramayana so many years old, 1 lakh mela, but it's still preserved. So Bhagavan is preserving. Bhagavan illama irukadu. World will not be without Bhagavan at any time. Even in the Ghora Kali Yuga, Bhagavan will be there. He will preserve himself because Bhagavan is the only thing that is Satyam in all time. He is only Satyam in all time. So Bhagavan will be there always. But the people will become so bad, etc. That's okay. But still Bhagavan will be there. And then finally the fight with Kali Purusha will come at the end of the Yuga only. End of the Yuga, Kali Purusha Goda Bhagavan Krishna will fight. Kalki Avatara will fight. And then he will kill him, and then there will be Pralaya, and next will be again Krita Yuga or Satya Yuga. Nice calm Yuga will come again. So this is how the time cycle keeps going. So Bhagavan, he is the one always there. Sat, Chit, எப்பவுமே conscious, எப்பவும் conscious தான் இருக்கேன். Who am I, right? That consciousness is Bhagavan. And Ananda, Rasa. Nirdvaida Vapusham, and the gopis oda prayer, gopis oda merit spirits nala avadaramannina Bhagavan. Pashupa vanida bhagya nivaham paritapashantyai. Nama sorrows we can submit to Bhagavan. He loves us when we go to him. He never mocks us or says, no, nobody else, why are you coming here? No, he will never say like that. He loves us so much that my child has come here, and he's always looking out for us. And he now, from once you went, no, after that he will hold you. He will not leave. His hold is like that grip. So, Bhattadri is telling, please remove my ailments, Krishna. 89th chapter over. So, Pavanapuravasin Paribhaje. If the process, bhakti is intensifying for Bhattadri. As every sarga, bhakti is growing, the longing is growing. And then finally, Bhagavan will say, okay, now I'm happy, and he'll give the result, right? He decides when to give result. But if the bhajan he's hearing from behind, he's not coming and giving darshan immediately, but he's hearing every darshakam. Quietly he's hearing and he's acknowledging, sometimes with sound also in the temple, right? That is alive. Narayanam is very much alive. It's a live grantham. Bhattadri could feel the presence of a smiling Guru Arpan, right? So he's again pleading, please cure my ailment. Parita Pavana Puravasin Paribhaje Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha Sandranandavabodhamanubhakvidam Kaladeshavadibhyam Nirmuktam Nityamuktam Nigamasharasahasrena Nibhasyamanam Aspashtam Drishtamatre Punarurupurushartatmakam Brahma Tattvam तत्तावद्भाति साक्षात् गुरुपवनपुरे अन्धभाग्यं जनानां श्रीकृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे